Zoom, look at how beautiful it looks. And here I've got just put some stuff around. I just want to show you a quick chicken seasoning. Whenever you're cooking any chicken of your choice, just make sure you can show you how to use this base as a good seasoning. So is it jerk seasoning, jerk chicken, or whatever chicken you're making, let me show you. Right, everything is done, guys. Let me give you a better zoom. Look at this, how beautiful it looks as well. Magnifique. Ooh la la. So I've got this bowl here. Like I said, I'm showing you how to make a chicken seasoning. Well, okay, so then I'm send Guinarr ngeen bëgg ko season nga xamne yaangi defar bi bay ko sa frik wacce liggéey ñew tay alaaji ne la Guinarr la dama ba nga bëgg poti naka roti poulet roti su ko defé ñu dal di sotti some seasoning. So that's the seasoning base à la base. And this is smoked paprika fumé. That is my Jamaican jerk seasoning. Can you see? So this is the whole reason why you always have to make the base natural, and this makes sure you cook and your flavors are infusing in that chicken nicely. It's not too much. Okay, gis ngeen so déggee ñu naan bëgguma season bu bari du ne doo def seasoning waaye dafa fekk tam ni nga ko shee defee la. So can you see? I'll just give you a better zoom this side. Right. So this is my cajun seasoning. I'm just gonna add some here. And I've got my Maggi cubes here. Maggi and Himalayan pink salt mix. And just give it a good mix. Before anything, I'll also add my lemon. Okay. Muy sun jek na Jamaican. Seasoning Jamaican. La way so amé yeneen épices yoo xam ne rek yow bëgg a felfelaale nga felfelaale ko moom. Jàpp sa jàmbur bëgg loolu jëm kaw. Citron. Voilà. Mustard. So I'm gonna add some mustard. You can see I didn't add any mustard to the seasoning. Gis ngeen léegi man mii defar suma seasoning teel yi si suma lii di felfelaale moom bu ma ko kenn laaj jaayuma ko pour muy leer rek doom day nay leer rek waaw si suuf na nooy jaayuma ko. Right, so just mix it here and there. Mix nicely. And look at how beautiful this looks for this chicken. So you start mixing it up for the chicken. Gis ngeen nii la moo rafetee xool leen nga am sa chicken seasoning here. So then here there's a soy, or you can add Nando's peri peri. You can add anything here. Can you see how adventurous this has started? This is becoming, because of one seasoning is just making you explore the world of flavors, the world of being natural and staying to natural ingredients. So I just added all this here, and this seasoning, guys, is a banger. So Barrifemme Kitchen, hit the subscribe button, sis, and we're good to go. Aïcha si biir Barrifemme Kitchen mbokk yi gis ngeen ni ma leen ko waxee paprika laa fi def, cajun naa def yëpp en français ak anglais. Su ko defee nag ñu jaxase ko ba mu rafet nii nga daal di am sa seasoning bu ne muut daal di dugal sa riib sa ginaar ñëw tegal alaaji mu yëngal boppa bi nga ne ko sa toogu xale bala. Ah Aïcha si biir Barrifemme Kitchen niñ ko defee saa su ne bëggoon naa leen a defal bu jën. I wanted to do a fish one, but I'll just leave it till next time. Ma leb ko ba beneen yoon xanaa kon nag maa baax.